Guys, welcome back to my channel, Araceli Chan DIY. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some DIY Dollar Tree fall decor. If this is your first time here, I would love to welcome you to the chaos and invite you to subscribe to the DIY family and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Let's get on to it. The post office has these really long boxes, and what I did, if you can see how long it is, I just cut the very top off. So this is what it should look like when you cut it off, and it still has a part that bends. So we're gonna toss that aside for another DIY. And then, as you can see, it's already folded up and everything. And I literally went in there with like black spray paint, another layer of black spray paint, and then I went in there with like gold and silver, just all these different colors, and then finally ended up with just the bronze and a rose gold color. You guys remember that peel and stick flooring that I did on my patio or my front porch, which still looks amazing? I just took some of the leftover pieces, and I'm only gonna need 4, and one of them I actually just had to cut a little bit off the edge, and so I just measured it out so that it fits perfectly in here. I'm not sure yet how many I'm gonna need. I'll probably need 3 or so, but I guess we'll see once I get to that part. And I know this is peel and stick, but I don't want to take the chances of it coming up and not sticking all the way down on the cardboard.
When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go. Climbing my silence to show. Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet.
There's literally one section left and I don't have enough, so I'm not going to the store. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this right off to even it out. And then I'm just going to give this a layer of the Oops paint to match the Stay Cozy sign that I'm going to make.
Turn out the light. The next morning when I wake, I feel like Sleeping Beauty.
For this DIY, we're going to be using some Dollar Tree letter decals, a plunger handle, and then I have one of these signs from Valentine's Day. You guys could probably use foam board. I've taught you guys how to distress foam board to make it look like wood. Since I do have this, I'll use this, and I will also be using foam board as well. And then I have a bunch of hooks from Walmart. You can use the nicer ones that you screw in individually with the little screws, or you can just have the actual screw-in hooks. And then for the back, I'm going to be using these sawtooth hangers. I've been collecting these along the way that I take from like Dollar Tree frames and stuff. And then just like these little hooks as well, and I'll kind of show you guys. I'll probably paint these also. I do have some bronze or rose gold metallic spray paint, a paint marker, and some Oops paint.
Just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me. a tragic love saga that dies in the end. The letter in my wallet, I'll keep it till we meet again. You should never doubt it's true. I am not forgotten. You're the one on my mind. And I could spend the winter too, as long as I am there with you. 'Cause you're the one on my mind. You should never doubt it's true. I am not forgotten. You're the one on my mind. And I could spend the winter too, as long as I am there with you. 'Cause you're on my mind. The only one I reach inside. The only one on my mind. We'll meet again. Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up, wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Now the moon is full, the stars are bright. I call you up just to hear your voice on the